All right, boom. Without further ado, we got a crypto ebook. It's gonna make you a six-figure person by 2025. Can go check it out. The link's in the bio or be in the comments. The guys also let us know what you think about our content. Just comment below how you perceive it, what you think we should do differently, etc. Just drop a comment. So I thought this would be a very interesting story for you guys, so you guys get to know where we came from. And yeah, so basically we know a bunch of hackers, compromisers, because we was doing game development back in the day. We wanted to do a load of things on this virtual platform, Roblox. Then we started mixing and dabbling on the dark forums and stuff like the dark web, where you'll basically go against the terms and services and you'll be brute forcing into people's accounts, compromising accounts, sending items there, getting paid, PayPal, crypto. This was even 6 years ago when this was going on. So this is now even it's came to a place in our lives where we have to say, yo, look, we're gonna just stick to one thing. We're gonna put all of our focuses in this thing, and we're gonna see how it goes. Do you know what I'm saying? So it's like the saying, oh, if your eye can be single, then so and so. So you gotta be focusing on one thing, is what I'm trying to say right now anyway. So yeah, we went from 2 million US dollars on this platform, Roblox, right to financially challenged. So how this all happened, we started off making games. We was getting about tens of thousands of place visits, millions on some games. We had some items that today are worth about 25 grand in Great British pounds. Back then, they're probably a little bit more devalued, but nothing insane. It's still the same. And basically, it's kind of crazy how we're making this video, because you see like the Sandbox is a new virtual platform coming out. It's literally just like Roblox. I don't know how they made it, but they did a good job. And one day we wish to even make a gaming platform like that, where people can just jump on, make their avatars, sell their virtual items. That is just a big deal. So currently I wish to complete my computer science studies this year, going on for the course of the remainder. It's gonna be like what, 3 years? So after that, so 4 years should be exact. So yeah, so that is a big goal for us. We wish to make a platform just like Roblox, because the amount of funds that was coming out of this, even in its early days, like 2013, it was absolutely insane. Developers, teenagers, adults, whatever, it was for everyone. They would make a game, they'll make a few items, la la la, and seriously make bank. And now today with Roblox, you can make your own virtual hats and stuff for people to buy, like 3D rendering, 3D modeling. So that's basically what we're getting to right now, is like to express how much prosperity was on the virtual platform Roblox, let alone what's gonna happen in the metaverse to come in these coming days, where there's gonna be what side us. There's gonna be so many games, AI, not just the metaverse. There's gonna be NFTs, which you can see the Sandbox project, which we're heavily invested in already, is going to be adding onto their platform. So they're going to be making a lot more bank. I reckon they're going to be clashing with Roblox, because they have a lot of features now, and they're doing a lot of collaborations with old games like Habbo Hotels, which is just going to make things just go absolutely bizarre for that platform, guaranteed. It's an investment you lot should get into. You already know. So yeah, Twitter, everything's going to be down below. The Twitter, the Insta, the Snap, etc. How you lot can book a meeting, you want to speak and get to know some more about this stuff. So now let's get straight into it. If you want to go check out the marketplace right now, you're going to see these items here. Most of these have been made by people nowadays. Let's go back to the items that were worth a lot, just to show you a bit of our passion. Some people still play this. So we got into a admin's account, and he had like all of these hats. They were rare. Nowadays I don't think anybody even wants to hack or anything. If you can buy this for 85 Robux, and then you got this for 80 million Robux, which one you gonna take? They look kind of the same. Do you get it? Like that, literally. But originality is the key. So anyway, we had like hundreds of these hats. You can see the value there. We got rid of those hats. We was making thousands, tens of thousands just by that little compromisation. We have an amazing reputation in the community. People they wouldn't even hesitate to do business with us first. They'll send the money, they'll receive their products. Like it was just so smooth. It was just off the bat. Like everyone's just moving. Like when you got a good reputation out there, then it's known. It should be known as, yeah, we can get down with this guy. We can do business with him. He's a good guy, fair businessman, and that's what matters, especially in this day and age. So yeah, man, we came up from making games, making revenue out of that, buying and reselling. We was making money from that just from online on a computer, turning over like $1,000 a day. Some days it'll be a little less, some days it could be more. And it was really fun. So that's just a bit about how we came up, making t-shirts, had gaming communities, all on this. And we literally saw 2 million USDs until one of our accounts that was holding a majority of these items just got locked. After I made all of that money on this, it just said to me, bruh, if I was to focus on, bruh, forex trading, for example, now, and I just put my all in, I was just studying it 24/7, making content on it, learning, reading, 8 hours a day type, exactly like this, I would be without a doubt one of the best forex traders. Nothing's just gonna happen overnight. So with that same instance, it's like you can pick whatever you want to be good at, become good at, and just do it, and you will become good. And for us, like that little bit of hype back on these days, it doesn't define us for nothing because we still know how to make that money. Like, it is not rocket science for us. We've been doing it, and we're still hitting new heights in today's age. And I thought this would be rather cool just to like show you guys a bit of our upbringing, how we was making our money, how we had Crystal Palace a pro contract almost being like I can even still see it till this day, being handed to us. So um as I said, like I still wish for to become a Premier League baller. I still wish to make this channel hit millions of subs. I still wish to give you lot free game and have you learning and fulfilling your highest goods. Um, so there we go. Like you can do all of this. Like as I'm saying, I put all of that focus in. I saw over 2 million US dollars, making good flips every day. Thousands, tens of thousands coming into the PayPal, Bitcoin back when Ethereum was like $100. Now it's at 3K. So just even that being said, you lot can see now with us there's a lot of things to be hit, like targets and that. So I thought today I was gonna make a video on where we came from as a little introduction video on everything to come and more, how this channel is just gonna be about the straight crypto, straight finances, straight online money, Wi-Fi money. That's what I know my viewers like to see, and that's what I like to do and what our team likes to do. So without further ado, I'm just gonna let you guys know that this hype was insane back in the day. Like back, you probably have people around you playing this game, whether it's family, people that is telling you about it. Yeah, this was the game, and we made some noise. So look at it today now, they've very much upgraded everything. There's always changes happening around you. You can just focus on one thing and tunnel vision basically, and you can tap into anything that you want. And that is all nothing but fairness. Like I just wanted to show you guys that the dot web, anything's possible. People are printing money every day. Money's still being printed as we speak from this same platform. Like it's not over. People are still making games on this, and we was making games. A game could take you a month to create, it could take you 6 months, it could take you a year, and you have your team of developers as you do, and it's just another business model, and some of these games are making about 6 million US dollars a year just from the games alone, which is the sole purpose of making money on this platform, to be frank. So that's, and yeah, I already told you how we lost it, and it should be coming back tenfold. I wish for us to be making that what we made then, but document it this time and actually keep our proceeds and just fly straight with everything that we do. Do you see what we're saying? So that's that. Like, this is a bit of us. I feel like, let me share this with you lot. Not too much on the visuals, not too much on the talking stage of like too much about, it's pretty much black and white. Um, in this day and age, it's all transparent right now. So I could say certain things right now. We could say this, and then boom, you guys can search it up and find your receipts, what you need to find. So um, that's again the beauty of this whole online world, this journey right now, the dark web, the metaverse, AI, GameFi, NFTs, where we're going now. Because even some of these games today, I know you're looking at it like I'd actually go play it, or you probably do play it, and it's just very amazing that we are here in 2024 and we're still seeing these developments on bigger scales now. So, as I said, tap in now if you want to go buy that ebook. Sure, have fun. We're going to be dropping more content anyway on all these projects, these altcoins. We're nearly there now. Probably got about 100 days until we see about 100k Bitcoin or 130k. So it's very affordable, and you might as well just act fast. So I'm gonna leave that video as that. This is our journey where we went from $2 million back in the day. We bombarded the football contract. We basically just went all in on the dot web. So there you go. That's what it was. Flash straight. That's what you need to know. That the conclusion of this whole lecture right now is flash straight. Pick one thing that you want to do in life, and if it's 10 million that you want to make, and you know that you're good at flipping cars, do that. You're gonna make 10 million from flipping cars. It is very possible. It may take you 3 years, could take you 1 year, could take you 2, or it could take you 8 months. So the conclusion is flash straight, focus on one thing. And number 3 is to subscribe to us, and you're gonna get the good deal on everything, our experience on the online world and business. So yeah, don't hesitate to go follow this account. We're gonna be doing up loads of videos in the days to come. So yeah, so that's that. And you lot can really make 6 figs this year. So you lot gotta act fast on that as well. And yeah, there you go, you lot. That's that whole video, summing it up. Basically, just wrapping it up now, and just letting you guys know the world is ours for real. So take it on board. You guys' time's coming, so just be patient, believe in what you're doing, and always have your trust in God, and you're gonna do fine, literally. So I hope you guys all enjoyed that video. Love. So you lot take care, and I'll catch you in the next crypto video where we'll be speaking about solely Bitcoin. So you lot have this video. Enjoy.